Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the SPX500 or the S&P 500, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the S&P 500, definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. Most wave 3s do go to the minimum of 161.8 normally, so I definitely am still very bullish. I think we're going to go up towards that $5,900 area before we make a bigger pullback for the wave forward, probably another push up for the wave 5. And you have to keep in mind this is the monthly time frame, so that potentially could take a year or more to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, look what happened. Another higher low, higher low. Definitely still in an uptrend. Definitely still think this is all part of a wave 3. Looking at that $5,900 area, right about the 161% Fibonacci extension for the target for this wave 3. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely did make 1, 2, 3 waves down. Nice little higher low, higher low. Very impulsive up. We are taking out the high of wave B, and then according to Elliot wave books, normally a wave 1 does end around the high of wave B. So I wouldn't be surprised if shortly after it breaks structure, if it does start a pretty significant pullback for like a wave 2, and then potentially back up again for a wave 3 later on. But I would be very cautious about sorting it because the trend is up and the trend is your friend. So going to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, definitely a very nice, very strong uptrend. Like I said, we just recently broke structure to the upside. So at some point, probably pretty soon, it probably is going to end at wave 1. Now be very cautious about this because it easily could just keep on trending up. So I personally wouldn't even go short, even though I do think that at some point, probably pretty soon, it probably will break to the downside and make a pretty significant pullback for a wave 2, and then later on go up for a wave 3. For me personally, I would rather just let it break down, wait for the pullback to be over, and then try to go long at the end of a wave 2. But I'm not a very short time frame trader, so I mean that may be different for you. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, as long as this thing keeps on making higher highs, higher lows like it has been, every single one of these pullbacks is a higher high, higher low, definitely just keeps on trending up. So as long as it continues to trend, I would definitely do nothing but look for longs at the end of every single pullback I saw. I think that at some point it probably is going to make, a 3, 4, 5 shape, a breaker starts at the downside, signifying that the wave 1 is over on the higher time frames, but until you actually do see a picture like this, that 3, 4, 5 shape with a breaker structure to the downside, I personally would definitely still primarily be looking for longs in an uptrend on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.